Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add someone to an existing call on Discord. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you simply need to type discord.com. Afterwards, you need to provide your email address and your password and you simply need to log in into your Discord account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to select that particular person to whom you want to do a video call. After selecting it, you are going to see the option of start a video call in the top. So if you click on this option, your video call will be started. Now over here, in order to add some other person into it, you will have to use this search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for the user whom you want to add into your video call. After selecting that person, you just have to tap on their profile, and this way you will be able to easily add someone to an existing call on Discord. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.